Go ahead and do that. So now let's go up and let's load your previous version, the older version first.
Okay.
And we'll just do this just so we can save a file to see if that will load us back. It should
And
be
it's
able to,
actually on the other screen. Can I switch you to a different screen?
yeah, go back, stop your share and then share the other screen. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and request remote control if we need it. Okay. Now, we'll just do a new drawing here just for yucks. All right, I'm going to just exit out of that for a minute. And then these toolbars and such are like the way you like them, right? Okay. Yeah, we should probably do that at some point too. But so what we're going to do is now normally like the new version should be able to import these from this, but I found it's not entirely foolproof. So I'm going to go up here to the settings menu and I'm going to come down here to the toolbar manager. And I'm going to save this toolbar file. And I'm just going to keep it here in project settings and I'm going to call these your 2024 TV settings. Okay. Now let's minimize this. Go ahead and run your new version now. All right, then we'll do another new drawing here. And we won't bother with the setup at this point. All right, now, so at this point, like we should be able to go here to this toolbar manager and we should be able to load by program. And that should, like, here's your Carlson 2024, whichever IntelliCAD version you were latest up on, I think that one.
No, I'm at 12.1 now.
I know now, but the other one, this,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
what we just did here was we did toolbar manager, we said load by program, and we opened up this 2024.
Okay.
So whichever one that was supposed to have loaded your toolbars, but I don't think that's right. Those are not what you're looking at seeing, I don't think. So if I select that, just see, if I say select, see how it's, I don't think this is what you've had, is it?
No.
Okay, so that's why I say I don't think this works real well with that. So that's why I saved off that file. Now let's see if this works any better. So we'll say toolbar manager, and we're going to just say load the toolbar file that we just saved a minute ago. So we're going to load the file, and there's that 2024. And we'll see what happens there now. That's got some toolbars out there. Let's see how they compare. If we look back at 2024, I see the standard, surface, entity properties, Carlson menus, and draw. So let's see what this is, the same deal. we've got standard, surface, entity properties, Carlson menus, and draw. Okay, so those match. And what else do we have here? We've got it's layers followed by polylines. And then we've got grading followed by elevate. And then your snaps and your transparents. All right, so we come back to here and we see we've got layers followed by polylines, grading followed by elevate. There's your snaps and there's your, okay, so that's all the same. So you've also got over here inquiry. I think that was also over here. I just didn't take note of it. Yeah, there it is. Inquiry and then of course modify. Yep, so that's exactly like the other one. Except, there we go. There's our properties. Open this up a little bit. So there's your properties. Yep, there you go. Matches.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that was simple enough. Trying to see, is there anything else? I don't see it. I think, yeah, see that you've got a few more tools on the newer toolbar over there on the modified toolbar. You see it comes down a little further, but it comes down there. It's the last one. They've put properties on there that I don't think properties was on it before. Well, no, there it is. So they've given you a couple of extras somewhere within here, like that one right there is your 3D positioner, and that's probably this thing.
Okay.
I think, I don't know for sure. No, I don't know what that is. Um, but you can, I think, let me see. No, I thought maybe you could point to this, right click on it and turn some of these off if you don't use them, but I don't see a way of doing that necessarily without getting into customizing toolbars, and you don't want to do that. So yep, that's got it.
What's that X up there? What happens to that?
That will close this little this where you can look at the different views, and so if you close that off, that gets rid of that thing right there. Oh no, that closes the actual drawing.
Huh.
All right, so that would be, yeah, you've got it there too. Now your 2024, you did not have this thing on 2024,
Right.
and that is the cube. Yeah, you could have, I think it was just not turned on. I think if you just, no, cube is going to be a different thing. Let me see, 3D. It's called something. I'm trying to think of what it's, oh, this, no, it's not that. Let me see.
How do I turn it off on 2025?
That's what I'm figuring out here. If I can get to bring that over to this screen.
Okay.
All right. It's a view cube. Nav V cube. Okay, so like if it's off, if you turn it on, there it is there, or turn it off. Oops. So in 2025, likewise, navigation visual cube. That's what that stands for, Nav V cube. Turn it on and off, or settings. So you can, tell it how you want this to behave over here with the little twist arrows and stuff like that. If you want to use it, if you just want it off,
Yeah, I've
nav,
never used it.
yes,
Don't don't know how to use it.
nav VQ and turn it off. There you go. All right.
Okay,
Hey, well, that was easy.
so I'm all set up now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Did you get out and vote yet, or did you vote early?
I voted early.
Okay. Well,
How about
I got mine done this morning. So I went, I'm always such a traditionalist, I was going to make sure just go on election day, and we get out there, and we normally have a pretty short line at our polling place based on where we live. They put you in different lines.
right?
And normally it's, I don't know, 8 or 10 people deep, and you work through pretty quickly. This was out into the parking lot, came into the building and snaked around, it snaked back on itself. It went up one wall of the cafeteria and came back again. We were there for about an hour and a half before we ever got into getting their ballot. So
Wow.
a lot of people voting.
Well, I just hope that the result is peaceful.
I do too. Yeah, I do too. Because I've been seeing on the news where there's a lot of businesses and places around the DC area in particular have been boarding up their windows.
Yeah,
This is insanity. It's
yes, it
absolutely
is.
just, it's all because people quit spanking their kids. That's what caused it. I'm turned into a curmudgeon, Michael.
Could happen to anybody
Yeah.
if you live long enough.
If we only hope. All right. All right, sir. Well, we'll call this one a nice afternoon freebie. And
Okay, thank you, sir.
you are very welcome. You
By the
enjoy.
way, I put your check in the mail this afternoon. No joke.
Oh, no. Well, no worries at all, my friend. So I'll thank you there, and I'll catch you when he gets here.
Okay,
All right, sir.
take
Let's,
care.
okay, bye-bye.